Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I am going to tell you how to write a job description for labor roles using ChatGPT and Word. So let's get started with the video. So first you need to open the ChatGPT and provide the basic prompt to ChatGPT. For example, we can write a casual job description for a delivery driver in Mumbai with 2 years of experience. You need to make sure how much year of experience you want. You can change it from here, and you need to make sure the location which you are writing and what is the location where you want it. Just give the prompt to the chat gpt and they will create the job description for you. As you can see, the job description has been created, and if you want it in more formal way or more informal way, you want to make any changes, you can write the another prompt here. For example, I want it in more formal way, then it will create another job description. Wait for it to get completed. Once it's been done, what you can do is you can simply copy it from the job description. You can either control C or you can right click and click on copy. These are the two ways in which you can copy this particular job description. And open the Word document, Microsoft Word document. Post that, just paste the job description here. If you want to make any changes here, don't completely rely on ChatGPT. You can make the changes here. For example, you want to change the location here, you can change the location from here. Any location, experience, you want to change employment type, if you want it full time or part time, you can mention it here because we haven't mentioned it in the prompt. You can write part time, and same, you can make any changes here. You can save this and share the job description. So this is how basically you can create the job description for any labor role using ChatGPT. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.